Okay, guys, so we are looking at predicting the weather, understanding the main idea. And what we're going to kind of do is go through the first one so that you can understand what you're looking at, what you're looking for. So as you see, this is a weather map. Has lots of symbols on here. If you need to know what a symbol stands for, if you look right over here, this kind of helps you out to figure out what your symbols stand for. First of all, we are looking at Denver, which is right here in this area. And we are going to look at the symbols on the map so that you can see and figure out everything you need to know. So the first thing you have here is temperature. If you look right here at Denver, it has the 78. That's where they got their 78 from. The next thing that we have on this list is cloud cover. Now if I look over here at my key, it tells you a circle that's clear, or a circle with no shading in it is clear. Circle with half shading is partly cloudy. Full shading is cloudy. And then rain and then thunderstorm. So if I look at Denver, I notice that there is a half circle. So if I look over here, a half circle stands for partly cloudy. So for that first blank under Denver, I'm going to write partly cloudy. Okay? Partly cloudy. All right, the next thing that you see, you can't see it on mine, so let's move it up just a little bit, is wind direction. Wind direction. If you look at our key, we even have a key right here for wind direction. So we have west winds and we have east winds. So when we look at Denver, ours is kind of, I think we're going to have to turn it a little bit. So you notice that the tails go up. So we are going to have west winds. Mainly you're looking for up tails and down tails. That's kind of what tells you what wind is. All right, the last thing we have down, or the next thing we have down here is wind speed. Your wind speed. So if you look, this kind of tells you about wind speed. You notice that each little mark means something different. So if we look really closely, and Denver's very hard to see. I'm going to see if I can scoot it down a little bit. Open it up a little bit. Denver has one little bar, and it is not on the very end. So it looks like your wind speed is going to be about 3 to 8 miles an hour. All right. So the last thing that we have down here is air pressure. And you'll notice that they have big kind of circles. And anything within that circle there is going to be the same air pressure. So we are looking, and our air pressure is going to be right between 30.24 and 30.112. But I think we can just round it up as they did, and it is 30.3. So that kind of gives us, like I said, they've rounded in that, so it's okay to round. All right, I would like for you guys to go ahead and look at Chicago and New York. Hopefully I gave you a good idea what you are looking at.